When you work so hard on something and your total should come out to be a certain thing, I should not have paid what I paid today. And welcome to a High Value Couponer. So today I'm here with an Ibotta haul. And you'll see on the title, it said, was it a fail or something like that? I don't know exactly what I'm going to title it. And I'm not happy with it, truth be told. I know some of you are going to be like, Nick, this is ridiculous. You got a lot of stuff here, but I'm still not happy with it because I'm just not. When you work so hard on something and your total should come out to be a certain thing, I should not have paid what I paid today. That plain and simple. Should not have. And it was due to a stupid mistake I made with a coupon. And I just don't know. And I've been doing this a lot, making mistakes with Ibotta. And so we're going to talk about that at the end. What I'm thinking about Ibotta bonuses and what I'm going to do from here on. So I'm going to talk now about the Ibotta haul. So I did a Dove deal. This is a great deal. I got one of the Dove Men Plus Care and one of the Dove Shower Foam. I know Kaylee told me about this deal. I had it on my list, but she told me something else about it that I didn't know. She told me something, so thank you to her. So I got one of the Shower Foams for $5.97 and one of the Men Care for $5.38. I had a buy one, get one free coupon, and this is where the problems already started. That coupon would not scan at Walmart. Would not scan. It wouldn't. I scanned it like 5 times. It wouldn't work. So we had to get a CS time to come, because she entered it in at $5.38, and that took like 20 minutes. And so she finally came and keyed it in or whatever. And so what it is, I paid $5.97. I got back $1.50 on Ibotta from this. So that makes it $4.47. Okay, and then I got back a total of $1 on Ibotta for Dove Women's Body Wash, and $1.25 for a guy's body wash. So that already brings out to $2.25. Got the $1 savings star for the women's Dove Shower Foam. That makes it like $1.25. And Shopkick had 300 kicks back. It worked out to be really, really a great money maker for the Dove. So it was a great deal. Or maybe it was 69 cents for 2 or something like that. And, I got to preface this. This haul literally took me 3 days to do. If you've been hanging around my channel for a while, you know with Ibotta hauls, I used to knock these out in a day. So I'm just not used to having to go 3 days in a row. And that's just hard for me to do with my schedule. And it makes me not get other things done that I want to get done. So that's another complaint I'm having right now. Okay, the little remedies. $3.74 had a $2 printable from their site, and there's a $2 Ibotta. So $1.70, it was $1.76, so it was $3.76. And the Jack Links was $1 with the 50-cent Ibotta. The Pop Chips are $2.88, and I had that $3 Ibotta, so those are free finally, and I did the simple deal. Okay, this is actually a pretty decent deal. So I got one of the moisturizing face wash for $4.97 and one of the wipes for $5.68 or something. I'm sorry if I don't have the exact numbers. Shopkick has a total of 950 kicks back when you do this deal. So I got that back, which is like, I think it was like, oh gosh, where's my calculator so I can give you numbers? I feel guilty not being able to give you all the exact. It's in here somewhere. Okay, we're just gonna have to wing it. So that's almost like I think it was 376 or 376 or something like that. I did get some skin kicks for that one. And then there is, okay, so I used $2 coupons from the paper. So that already, it was like $11, and I used the $4 in coupons, so that was like $7. Yeah. And then I got back a total of like $3.76 from Shopkick, and I did get back $3.50 from Saving Star, or $2.50 from Saving Star. In the end, I did the math on these. I know they come out to 89 cents for the both of them, so that was all right. But again, I was planning on utilizing overage and stuff to pay for it. It just didn't work out. So that was Walmart for Friday. Then I did all this at Kroger yesterday. I got 2 of the Kleenex. They are $1.49. I had a 2 off 2 digital, making this 49 cents. The Good Fats bar was $2.49, and I had a $2.20 Ibotta, or no, I'm sorry, $2.29 from Ibotta, making it 20 cents. Snuggle was $2.79, and I had $2.29. I'm so sorry. I'm really struggling with prices. $2.29. I had that free up to digital, making them 79 cents, which I was willing to just walk into Kroger and pay those prices. So $1 for the Kleenex and like $1.60 or something like that for the Snuggle, something to that regard. $1.58. Okay, so I was gonna pay like $2.58 and then tax. So it would have been like $3 probably for the Kleenex and the 2 Snuggles. Preface that when you hear the total for everything here. So I did do the Suave lotion for $1.99. I had a $1 off coupon, and I had an 80-cent Fetch Rewards. The Barilla was $1.99. Had a $1 Ibotta and a 50-cent Fetch, and then Tic Tacs were $1 with a 50-cent Ibotta. And then I did the Susie's as well. These were $1.49. Thank you to 13 Serene for this. I don't even know if she watches me, but I saw her post it in one of the Ibotta groups. There is a 50 cents on each of them for my Ibotta. So that makes it 99 cents. And then Kroger Cashback has $1.99 on 2 rebate. So that made these a really great deal, like a penny moneymaker. And I did get 5 of the Bailey's Creamer for $2.99 with a $1.50 Ibotta and a $1.50 Kroger Cashback. Alright, and then here is all this stuff. I went back to Walmart today, and I'm in shock right now. Because yeah, the Bic is a great deal. The round stick, I had a horrible time finding them, but they were just in a huge bin of pens over in the pen section. Most of them were Bic Crystal. These were in the way back. The Ibotta rebate excludes Crystal, but it does not exclude the round stick. And these scanned for the rebate. So they're $1.36 each. I had a $1.50 off 2 printable from their site. Then Ibotta has $2 back on any 2. So these were a really nice moneymaker, and that really saved the haul. The Frosted Flakes, thank you to Keto Farm Girl. Her name is Janet on Instagram. I saw that she was telling people to get the Frosted Flakes at Dollar General. So then I thought, wow, I wonder if it would work at Walmart. And the Ibotta did. So she gave me the idea that she actually brought up that it is on any size, which I didn't even think about. These are 94 cents with a 40-cent Ibotta rebate. I did the Jack Links again. I got the Johnson's bar soap, $1.92 with a $2 coupon. The RX Nut Butter was $1.24 with a 50-cent Ibotta. The Watkins is $1.88 with a $1 Ibotta. I can't even believe I did this. This is $3.76. Forgot to use my coupon that I had in my binder. Forgot to use it. Literally forgot. So mad. I had it pulled out and everything. I forgot to use it. So I paid a whopping $3.76 and got back 2 for my Ibotta. This is $1.76. Unbelievable. So let's talk about the math. So all this came out to be $5.15. I know I'm going to get some of you who are like, Nick, that's ridiculous. But when you see what I was doing, I was literally getting months for free with Ibotta overage. And now that I'm spending $5.15, and now that means I've spent over $20 this month already. I'm not happy with it. And I know that probably sounds ridiculous, but I'm just disappointed. I thought about going back to Walmart and doing a post coupon. However, I don't like doing that with Ibotta stuff because that QR code on Ibotta, that is linked to Ibotta. And it's strictly against Ibotta's terms of use to go returning stuff. A lot of times at my Walmart, I know they've done a return rebuy. So they'll give me the money back and then they'll just have me go ring it back up. And that scares me because if they see it in their system as a return, they will potentially shut my account down because you can't be returning stuff with Ibotta if you got a rebate back for it. So that's why I'm just going to eat the cost. It was $5.15 and I'm not happy. And oh my goodness, think about it. If I would have scanned up Little Remedies, this all would have been $3.15, which I would have been thrilled with because I was getting the Snuggle and Kleenex. I wouldn't have been thrilled because I like utilizing overage to make everything free, but I could have handled just paying for the Snuggle and Kleenex. But to pay over $2 for what I got, the rest of the stuff, I'm not happy with it. I'm really not. I don't like to pay anything for personal care products and stuff like that. I didn't need the vanilla extract. I certainly didn't need Little Remedies. But what you gonna do? And I feel like the reason I forgot to use that $2 coupon was because I was so overwhelmed trying to find rebates. I was trying to find rebates in the store. I was trying to find rebates, and it's hard because I had a hard enough time finding 6 more rebates to do. And it just, I don't know. I feel like I'm getting caught up in the chasing bonuses thing when I used to be a lot smarter and more intentional about the products I was buying. And I need to just get back to that place again. I got kind of lazy with it. I didn't run the spreadsheet on everything like I always do. And I don't feel like I'm being intentional. I don't feel like I'm being intentional with it like I was. So, I don't know. For now, I'm going to try to just give it a few days and not even think about Ibotta right now. Because if I get to thinking about it, I think I'll get really mad at myself, for making that mistake again. I don't know if there'll be an Ibotta haul on Tuesday or not. Maybe I'll cool down from this. Maybe everything will go back and I'll be all excited about Ibotta. And I'm sure I will. And I don't know. Sometimes I just need to rant a little bit about couponing. I know y'all get my struggles because we like to get everything for free, especially personal care stuff. If it was just a bunch of food, I'd be thrilled to pay $5.16. But for the products I got here, no, it wasn't worth. No way, it wasn't worth $5.16 to me in my mind. I mean, it's all right, but like I said, I was so much better at making transactions. So if I don't do a haul on Tuesday for Ibotta, there will be a CVS video either Monday or Tuesday because I am kind of enjoying that right now. And if I don't do a haul, I'll of course have a Walmart breakdowns video for you guys, which is what I used to do a lot. I just kind of got super into doing Ibotta hauls all the time. So, and I'm sure I'll get back there because I still love Ibotta. Ibotta is my thing, but lately it doesn't really feel like my thing anymore. It just feels like I keep messing it up. There's something I bought at Kroger that the rebate, it wasn't the right size, and I just missed it. And now I haven't even returned it because it's such a pain to go in there and have to return stuff all the time, especially since it's like so cold out. So it's just like, I don't know. I'm struggling. I like the one and done trips. You go in one time, you shop for the week, and you're done. And I don't want to do this having to go. I had to go Friday, Saturday, and Sunday just to do this bonus. And to me, that's ridiculous. I don't want to live in Walmart every day. And I know a lot of you guys don't want to do that either. So, I don't know. And it's just been, Ibotta's been a little bit slow lately. $5.15, I guess, for the stuff I got isn't horrible. Because Dove's the very expensive stuff. Simple's expensive stuff. But when I think about what I was doing with these hauls, getting them all for free using overage, I just feel like I've dropped the ball. And I need to somehow come back. So that's it. That's what I'm feeling. Let me know what you guys think. Do you think I'm just over dramatic? Or do you understand a little bit why I'm upset when it was supposed to be so much cheaper and I forgot to use a coupon? It's just as upsetting. So, yep, that's my haul. I hope you guys got some good out of this. And thank you so much for watching.